Hello friends, this is Anshuman again from Kiddies. Today we'll try to build a Robo which will detect colors and speak out the color name which has been detected. For this we will use my EV3 brick and a color sensor from the EV3 Mindstorm kit. Python as the programming language and Visual Studio Code to type in the code. Here's the Visual Studio Code. First I'll switch on my brick. Now I'll create a new project and the project's name will be Color Detector. This is the project which I just now created, and here's the main file where I type my code. Here's the main file. This is an auto-generated code and I don't need this part of the code, so I'll delete it. This time I'll create a female Robo. For this we need to put the following code. Next, we will put the code for the welcome message. I'll give one name to the robot. I'll give the name as Sumi. Now I'll test this code till this point, but before that, I should connect my brick. When the brick is successfully connected, the red color will turn into green color. Now the brick is successfully connected, so I'll run my code.
Hi there, I am Sumi. Today I will detect and try to tell you the name on some colors I can identify.
Next, I will create an instance of the color sensor which I'll connect to sensor port 1 of the brick. Now I'll capture the value coming from the color sensor and store it in a variable. This is the name of my variable. I will now print the value received from the sensor on the laptop's output console and check the value before proceeding further. Now I'll test this code till this point.
Hi there, I am Sumi. Today I will detect and try to tell you the name on some colors I can identify.
Here's the value green. Here you see that the program is getting completed after printing just one value. So we'll put an endless loop to get the values continuously until we stop the program. Now I'll test this code till this point. have seen the color names being printed on the laptop screen. Now, I'll put the code to speak out each of the colors detected by the color sensor. This is for black color. This is for white color. This is for green color. This is for yellow color. This is for blue color. Put the colons. This is for red color. This is for brown color. This is for the colors that are unknown to the Robo. Now let's test this code.
Hi there, I am Anshuman. Today I will detect and try to tell you the name of some colors I can identify. Green color detected. Green color detected. Green color detected. Red color detected. Green color detected. Blue color detected. Blue color detected. Red color detected. Red color detected.
That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you found this video interesting.